In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Patience. SABR. A word easy to say, but it takes a lot of efforts. But once you start practicing it and have it, you'll be the calmest person in the world. You will be tested in so many different ways, in a ways that you will never ever be able to imagine. You will go through trials and hardships. It will be the hardest thing you will ever face. You will feel weak and want to give up, and sometimes you will see no way out. SABR is one of the most important things you will learn to have, even for those who don't have it. It will grow within you, and you have to let it grow to its full potential. The best part of having SABR is Allah is with you. Be patient, because we have to go through the worst to get the best. Patience is a virtue. Everything will come to you at the right time and at the right moment. Just pray and stay patient. Do not lose hope. Allah is making all the things in the right place. Trust in His plans. Indeed, Allah's plans are always greater than our own. Jazakallah.